going on, guys? Welcome back to another update. In this video we're going to be doing a little walkthrough to see what we've done so far. You can see up here there's some cables. The electrical work has been done. You can see the switches and the outlets right here in the living room. You can see up here the air conditioning vents also been installed. You can see right here there's a machine. There's a closet. The door's gonna be over here on this side. You can see up there they go to the rooms. This is where the door's gonna be. And then here's the electrical panel. Also in the hall. You can see a light. There's gonna be two lights right here in the hall. On this side we have the laundry room. See the electrical work's done. On this side we have one of the bedrooms. Here's another one, same thing. Electrical is done. The air conditioner right there. Here's another one of the lights in the halls. Here's the bathroom. You can see the plumbing has also been done. There's the exhaust, the light, and the AC, and the plumbing for the sink. And then if we walk straight over here, we have the master bedroom. Same thing, electrical, air conditioner. You see right there the outlets, switches. You see they run in here. One's in the bedroom, one's in the bathroom right there. The exhaust, we have one going to the closet. Alright, so now we're back inside the house. So you can see here we finished installing the drywall all throughout the house. Do a quick walkthrough. There's the bathroom, there's a toilet. And on this side is going to be the walk-in closet. There's a shower. Walking out. You see the hall, it's also done. Right here is the bathroom. Okay. You can see plumbing and electrical has been done as well. Here's another one of the bedrooms. You can walk inside. See, the closet is also done. The ceiling. So we insulate the ceiling first, and then we insulate the outside walls. And we went ahead and installed the drywall. See in this bedroom as well. And across here we have the laundry room. Same thing. Plumbing, electrical done. You can see right there too. There's a closet for the air conditioning machine. You can see right here. The dining room, the living room, all done, and the kitchen as well, all done. So stay tuned. Alright, so it's a few days later, and as you can see here, we're a couple steps ahead. The tip and flow has been done, the texture, and also the painting. You can see we came in with like a light grayish color, and then we painted the ceilings white, a flat white. You can see the walls have a little gloss to them. So here we're gonna do a quick walkthrough again. So we still gotta put all the outlet switches, lights, AC covers, doors. You can see here we did a tile already in here. And the flooring and the bathtub side. And it's gonna have sliding doors right there at the closet. Right here in the laundry room, you can see the tile as well. And then here's the dining room, living room, and the kitchen area. So we did the tile, now we gotta do the cabinets. Just a little extra stuff, so stay tuned for the next update.